long months, she protected her eggs day and night as she waited for this moment. Now, she meets her babies for the first time. They are delicate and vulnerable. But they are not safe here. She must get them to water. Her solution is extraordinary. Despite having the most powerful bite in nature, she carefully gathers them in a throat pouch beneath a stockade of deadly teeth. She is as gentle as a croc could ever be. Safe in her care, tails dangling between her teeth, she takes them to water. She won't enjoy her baby's company for long. Crocodiles can have 80 hatchlings, and another batch is crying for her attention. She won't leave any behind, even spy hatchling. Safe in her cavernous mouth, all survive unscathed.